How to update profile information on Fiverr.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome or any other browser and head over to Fiverr.com and then go to your profile icon in the top right and go to profile. Now, you can see edit option, just tap on it. And then here you can change your display name, but you cannot change your username. And then you can scroll down and you can see overview option. You can tap on add and share details about your business, about yourself and what services you're looking to order. You can change to I am a client or I'm a freelancer. You can choose what you plan to order services for, and you can write a short description to introduce yourself to others and then hit save. Similarly, you can add your communication preferences. This will let freelancers know when and how you prefer to collaborate and can help speed up the order process. You can put in your working days, your working hours, and you can add the language. So here you can also see free review of freelancers that you've worked with that write a review about you. So this is how you update your profile information. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.